Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at a portable battery operated fan by AMACOOL. So this portable fan is the model D13. Inside, you get the USB-C cable along with the power adapter to charge it and the user manual. Just going over some specs, this features a 40,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, which can last up to 136 hours at the low speed. It has 4 timer settings, 1, 2, 4, and 8 hours. Also has 4 powerful speeds with a 9-inch bullhorn blade. It has 4 speeds of low, medium, high, and max. It has a 270-degree pivoting head and also a 90-degree or 45-degree auto oscillating feature. It has 32 bright LED lights that emits up to 500 lumens with 3 brightness, including white and warm modes. It takes 9 to 10 hours to fully charge. And it also has a charge out feature so you can charge your device. Alright, taking a look at the fan, it's a fairly small size and easily can be transported. It has the rubber handle on the top, and then on the sides here you can see the 4 LED lights. And as mentioned earlier, it does pivot and it also oscillates. On the front, you have the controls here, along with the battery indicator. And we'll go over each of the controls shortly. And then on the back, you have your USB-C charging port, along with a USB-A port if you want to use it to charge out your devices. And then here in the bottom, it also comes with a remote control, and that's the storage for it. So you have the control, you can control all the functions. And then finally on the bottom, you have a hook so you can hang it. Taking a look at the controls and the panel on the front. On the left side here, you have the LEDs for the battery indicator. And then on the right, you have the speed LEDs for the fan, along with the timer LEDs. So turning on the fan, you want to press this middle button here. And you can see it will start off at the low speed, and then the LEDs for the batteries will light up. Currently, it's at 100%. Pressing the fan button again will increase the speed. So right now we're on speed 1. There's speed 2, speed 3, and speed 4. The first button on the left here will turn off the LEDs. So you can have it on or you can have it off. So in the evenings, if you don't want any light, you can turn that off. The second button on the side here, this will oscillate it. Again, it can do a 45 and 90 degree. So if we press it again, you can change those settings for the oscillation. So this is the 45. The button on the right side here will toggle the timer. You have 1, 2, 4, and 8 hours. So as you press it, you can see the LED change. Finally, going over the light settings, this has 4 LED lights on each of the corners. So pressing the light button once will give you the low setting, and this is the daylight brightness. Pressing it again will give you more of a warm light setting on the lowest setting. And then pressing it again a little bit brighter on the daylight mode. And then the brightest on the warm setting. And then the final press will give you the daylight setting at the highest level. So all the control functions that I just mentioned can be controlled with the remote. So turning on the fan here on the low setting, you get an idea of the airflow. You can see by these streamers here. And I'll cycle through 2, 3, and 4. And it's not too noisy, it's fairly quiet, and you can definitely feel the airflow. Okay, now I have my sound meter, and we'll measure the sound levels. Okay, so I'll start off with low. Right now it's measuring about 39. Level 2 is about 44. Level 3 is about 48. And level 4 is about 53. Okay, that will do it. That's a look at the AMACOOL portable fan. It has many uses and very versatile. You can use it for camping activities, outdoor events, in your RV, car, or during power outages. I put the link in the description below if you want to check it out. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.